Hey everyone, Tommy with Seattle Boat Company here, and for 2024, Cobalt's come out with an all-new CS23 Surf. This 23-foot boat has surf gate, forward-facing outdrive, all-new exterior and all-new interior. Let's go check it out and what makes this an awesome 23-foot surf boat. Now in the new CS23 Surf, being a surf boat, you're going to have a couple extra fittings on the side of the boat. These are vents for the ballast tanks. You still have the optional fender clips, you've got your cleats on both sides, 3 on each side, and you've got the fuel fill here on the port side, which holds 52 gallons. You've got a nice grab handle to help you get in and out of the water, your flip down swim step, and as we enter in the boat, some storage in the floor. Now, being the surf model, which makes this unique, is Cobalt surf system. So it utilizes the surf gates on both the port and starboard side of the boat, the forward-facing outdrive, and the hard tank ballast system in the boat. Now, as you enter into the CS23 Surf, you've got a nice spot to step into the boat, but you can also put a filler cushion right here just to make it so you have your nice U-shaped seating. So on the sun pad, great spot to lounge, but you also have storage access for your cooler and garbage can. Now under your side seat cushions, you have great storage. I've got my flip-flop seat here on the observer's side, so I can actually pull this in the forward direction, giving me the ability to lounge and face rearward. In-floor storage right here, just a little bit above the ballast tank, and I've got great storage up in the bow. So here we are at the helm of the CS23 Surf. Dual screen setup. I've got buttons here on the port and starboard side for things like your blower, bilge pump, and your lights. I've also got my stereo control, tilt steering wheel for a nice comfortable seating position, ignition switch, USB and 12-volt outlet down below, and then my helm seat has a nice flip-up bolster, and I can also slide the seat fore and aft, making sure I'm really comfortable for a nice day out on the lake. To the port side of the steering wheel, we've got our stereo control as well as nav lights, anchor lights, interior lights, things like that. The center screen of the helm is controlled via the right-hand screen. What I mean by that is you have some presets on the right-hand screen. You can cycle through different views. So currently I'm just looking at my cruising view, which has my nav screen on the starboard screen, then my engine function gauges in the center. I can cycle through to my surf screen. This is going to bring up a little bit more engine information in my main screen and still have my navigation map. I can go to an anchoring mode, which just shows me a digital readout of what the bottom of the lake would look like, and then go back to cruising. And the right-hand screen has my quick presets right here on the bottom, so I can scroll left to right. I can go into my surf mode, which brings up my surf screen. On the surf screen, I can go in and I can select either a preset for like surfing left to right, steep or mellow, wakeboarding. I've got my speed control, so I can turn that on and adjust the speed with plus and minus. Selecting surf left or surf right. Empty or fill the ballast tanks, and there are indicators in each of these squares letting you know how full the ballast tanks are. Thanks for joining me today walking through Cobalt's all-new CS23 Surf. Not only do you get your Cobalt ride and quality, but now you can have some water sports fun behind the boat in an all-new package. From all of us here at Seattle Boat, we'll see you on the water.